Meet what is often called the most clueless bird on the planet. When it notices a person nearby, it may begin pulling out its own feathers. But what's the reason behind this behavior? Is it some kind of signal? This is the shoebill. It can reach around 1.5 meters tall and looks like something straight out of the dinosaur age. The bird is known to greet humans by gently bowing its head. However, many sources claim this species has extremely low intelligence. It spends most of its time standing still, seemingly lost in thought. At times it won't move for minutes, and its ability to make decisions is very poor. Even when food is placed right in front of it, the bird can hesitate for a long time before deciding whether to eat. The odd noise it produces sounds very similar to a gunshot.